Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, heading out, running some errands, last-minute shopping and things like that this evening. It's really not bad. As far as the heavier rain and stronger wind, it's actually overnight tonight, and especially on Friday. Now, we are getting some mist and drizzle in some areas, especially in southeastern Massachusetts, but we can handle that as we take a peek outside, and we'll go to New Bedford with cloudy skies, dry. Temperatures that are in the upper 30s, good visibility, no heavy rain, no strong wind yet, but that'll all change overnight, especially tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon and evening. So generally, from later tonight through Friday night, 1 to 2 inches of rain. As far as the wind goes, the direction is east-southeast. Gusts of 35 to 50. Any gusts close to 50 would be reserved for the south coast, and that's where we do have a wind advisory. And the impacts, well, obviously with poor visibility due to rain, slower travel, there'll be some big puddles on the roads and the highways and things like that. Could be some localized minor street flooding as well. We take a look at the temperatures now in the upper 30s to around 40. If you like snow, there's just not enough cold air around. So this is going to be an all rain situation. So our threat tracker this evening is actually low. We'll bump it up overnight and certainly on Friday with that windswept rain, 1 to 2 inches, and that's some of those slower travel speeds. As we take a look, you can see the little speckles of green. This is just kind of nuisance sprinkles and drizzle. The leading edge of the precipitation of the storm system that we're expecting overnight into Friday. And there you go. The blue is snow. The green is rain. We're going to be on the rainy side of this storm system. There's really two storms. This one back here will stay across the upper Midwest. It's the second one forming off the mid-Atlantic coastline, and this will track in our direction. This will be the storm track close to the coastline, which means it keeps milder air in. If you wanted snow out of this, you really needed this storm to track a little further offshore. It would have brought in some colder air, and we'd be seeing some snow. So take this into the future. Here we are during the overnight, around midnight, with the leading edge of the precipitation working in. There's the storm itself. Here we are tomorrow morning at around 8 a.m. with a windswept rain. You're going to want to check in with Michelle tomorrow morning with the crew. Start bright and early at 4:30 in the morning. She'll have more information on this. And as we get into the afternoon and evening, more of the same. The snow and blue is to our north and west. It's a windswept rain through 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, as far as snow, during the pre-dawn hours before sunrise on Saturday as the storm pulls away, on the back edge of it, you may get a couple of hours of some wet snow showers northern part of the state. Now, nothing serious. As we get into Saturday afternoon, you start to see some partial clearing off to our west. So overall, Saturday's not bad. I think any lingering precipitation would be winding down by early Saturday morning. Snow. See these little strips of purple? These are the high elevations of the Adirondacks, the Greens, the Berkshires, and the White Mountains. That's where the most snow is going to fall. It is mainly rain here in southeastern New England. And how much rain? Well, it's quite a bit over a short amount of time. It's generally, 1 to 2 inches of rain from tonight right on through tomorrow night. So, again, do exercise some caution traveling with those slow travel speeds. All right, 7-day forecast shows the rain and the wind on Friday, perhaps an early morning snow shower Saturday, clearing in the afternoon. The rest of Saturday night, and even Sunday looking good. And next week is quiet through Wednesday. It doesn't show up here, but some of our long-range forecasts suggesting something next week around the Thursday, Friday time frame that we'll have to watch. That's still a ways away. In the meantime, we'll take one weather system at a time. Kim and Kayla?
All right, Tony.